In this video, we're going to unbox the Insta360 Pro 2, introducing you to everything that comes with this professional 360 camera. For this unboxing, we'll show you the items in the basic Insta360 Pro 2 camera bundle. The package serves as a travel protection case. Let's open up this protection case and take a look inside. You'll get an Insta360 Pro 2 camera, power supply set, 2 antennas, connection cable kit, and other accessories. On top of the camera, you can find 2 antenna ports, one 3.5mm audio input port, a USB 2.0 Type A port, and a standard 1/4-inch mounting point. The 6 lenses, 4 mics, and status indicators are located in the middle part of the camera. And here is where you can put the battery and SD card. You can control the device by using the control panel on the OLED display screen and 4 buttons: the power enter button, return button, setting button, and switch button. At the bottom of the camera, you can find 6 micro SD card slots and ports for various functions, including a USB Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and another 3.5mm audio input port, HDMI 2.0 Type-D port, LAN port, a standard 1/4-inch mounting point. Before we jump into shooting, let's go through the setup of Insta360 Pro 2. Screw the AP, Wi-Fi, and GPS antennas onto the camera to enable GPS function and boost the transmission signal. You'll need to insert 6 V30 UHS-1 TF cards and 1 V30 UHS-1 SD card. You can use different power supply options, including the power adapter, battery, or external power supply system. Now, you can enjoy your very first shoot on Insta360 Pro 2.